This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts for sale. First, research your local market to understand demand and identify your target customers. Develop a unique recipe that stands out, ensuring consistent quality. Calculate all startup costs, including equipment, ingredients, and packaging. Finally, secure all required permits and licenses to operate legally. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful donut business, setting you up for long-term growth and customer satisfaction from day one. Next, focus on ingredient sourcing and dough preparation. Always choose high-quality flour, sugar, and yeast from trusted suppliers to ensure the best flavor. Measure all ingredients precisely. For example, use exactly 100 grams of sugar per batch. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Then, let it proof in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours, allowing it to double in size. This careful process is key to light and airy donuts. Now, let's move to frying and finishing your delicious donuts. Heat your frying oil, such as vegetable or canola, to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry donuts in small batches, about 3 to 4 at a time, for 60 to 90 seconds per side until golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them, draining excess oil on a wire rack. While still warm, dip or drizzle with your chosen glaze or toppings. This ensures a perfect coating and irresistible taste. Finally, focus on packaging and your sales strategy. Package your freshly made donuts in attractive boxes or bags that reflect your brand, ensuring they stay fresh. Determine a competitive price point, considering your ingredient and labor costs, aiming for a profit margin of at least 50%. Market your donuts effectively through social media, local farmers markets, or pop-up events. Providing excellent customer service will build loyalty and encourage repeat purchases, helping your donut business thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.